Welcome to Bidnik Tutors YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be breaking down topics of each science subject in order for you to have a better understanding of each topics. Because as a teacher, we believe that every student should understand fully every topics they are being taught. So, in order not to miss out on any of our videos, because all the videos we'll be uploading are very important, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share. We also have a Telegram channel where you can communicate with us, ask us questions, and meet with other educators. The link of our Telegram channel is in our YouTube bio and comment section. Now, say these after me. I understand mathematics. I understand physics. I understand chemistry. I understand further math. That is a spirit. Basic tutors. Excellence is our word. Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Basic Tutors YouTube channel. I want to use this medium to appreciate every one of you who have been watching our videos, everyone who has subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks and God bless you. So now, as many of you that has watched our part 1 and part 2 of our differentiation, so this is the part 3. Do you understand? It is quite voluminous. That's why we are doing part 1 to 3. So this might be the second to the last, or the third to the last video. You understand? So now this is product rule. So it said if y equals to uv, where u and v are some functions of x, then dy dx equals to u dv plus v du. Do you understand? So now this is a NECO question now. So we are asked to use this product rule to solve this question. So now let's do that now. So now this x plus y. So this is u, solution. So now this is u, x plus y, and this is v, x plus 2. Now let's get our du dx. So our du dx is 1. Okay, so our dv dx is also 1. Do you understand? So we already know how to differentiate, so this shouldn't be a difficult thing. Do you get it now? So now let's impute all this now. So we now have u dv dx plus v du dx. So now what is our u? X plus 1. It shouldn't be difficult for us to solve. Do you understand? So now what is our dv dx? 1. Plus what is our v? Our v is x plus 2. And what is our dv dx? That is 1. Du dx is what? 1. Okay, so now we now have x plus 1 plus x plus 2. So now this will give us x plus 1 plus 2. This is 2x plus 3. So this is our dy dx. So I will say that it's so simple. So now let's quickly solve another question. Right, so this is another NECO question that we're going to use product rule for. Do you understand? So let's quickly solve this too. So this will be difficult to solve. So now, solution. So now our x, this is our u, and this is our v. So now let's quickly solve this. So this is our du dx. Our du dx is what? Is 1. So now I want to get our dv dx. So now when you want to differentiate sign, it will be cos. You understand? When you differentiate sign, it will be cos. So now because we have 2 here, so this 2 will move to this side. So it will now be 2 cos 2x. So when you differentiate 2x, you get 2. So that 2 will move. So before you can write your cos, so we differentiate this one now. So let's now impute them now. So our dy dx is equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. So what is our u? X. So what is our dv? 2 cos 2x. What is our v? Sin 2x. And what is our du? 1. So we have x. So we now have, so this will now be 2x cos 2x plus sine 2x. Okay, so that is our final answer. So that is our final answer. This is our dy dx. So this is our dy dx. Okay. So this is another subtopic, case involving product and chain rule. So this is a UME question, UTME, you understand? So we are going to, this is a combination of chain rule and product rule. So these are the formulas that we'll be using for this particular question. So let's quickly solve it now. So now we have this now. T square sine 3t minus 5. Have you seen that now? So now this is our u, this is our v. Equals to t squared, and this is our v, sine 3t minus 5. So you'll be wondering that how are we going to solve this now? So it is very simple. So this is where chain rule comes in. Do you understand? This is where chain rule comes in. But let's quickly do our du. Our du is what? 2t. So now I want to focus on this v now. So we'll be using what? Chain rule. So to now be y equals to, using chain rule, so y equals to sine 3t minus 5. Have you seen that now? So y equals to sine z. You understand? So our z is what? 3t minus 5. Do you get it now? Using chain rule. So this dy dz will now give us, so when you differentiate sine, you get cos. So when you differentiate z, it is 1. So that shows we have cos z. Have you seen that now? So now let's differentiate the z dt. So when you differentiate the z dt, it will now be 3. You understand? So this is our answer. So now let's get our dy dx. So it will now be dy dt, dy dt will now give us dy dz times dz dt. So what is our dy dz? Dy dz is cos z, and the z dt is what? Is 3. So we have 3 cos z. Now what is our z? Our z is what? 3t minus 5. So it will now be 3 cos 3t minus 5. Gotten our, so it will now be dy dx equals to, now using product rule. So since we have u dv dx plus v du dx, t square. So what is our dv? This is our dv. You understand? So this is our dv. 3 cos 3t minus 5. You understand? So this is our dv. This is our dv plus. So now what is our, this is u. What is our v now? This is our v. Our v is sine 3t minus 5. Sine 3t minus 5. So what is our our du now? Our du is 2t. Our du is 2t. I'm so sure you understand. So if you are confused, do go to the comment section below and ask your question. Do you understand? So you understand this one represents our dv. So we got our dv using chain rule. Do you understand? So this is how we got our dv. Do you understand? So don't get confused. So now let's continue. So we now have 3t squared cos 3t minus 5 plus 2t sine 3t minus 5. So this is our final answer. You can still say that 2t, like this one can come first, anyhow you want to do it, depending on what your final answer is. If it's coming as an obj, you understand? So anyhow your answer comes. If it's coming as an obj, you can do it like this. If it's theory, you can leave the answer like this. So you understand? Question now, we have to find the derivative of y equals to sine square 5x. Do you understand? So let's solve that now. So when you see something like this, it otherwise means y equals to sine 5x all squared. So this is what it means. Do you understand? So this one, this is what it means. So y equals to sine 5x sine 5x. You understand? So now using your product rule now, so we have u equals to sine 5x and our v is also sine 5x. Okay, du. So when you differentiate sine, you get cos, and when you differentiate this 5, you get 5. So now our du equals to 5 cos 5x, and our dv is what? Same answer, 5 cos 5x. Okay, so now we now have dy dx equals to u dv plus v du. So what is our u? Sine 5x dv. What is our dv? 5 cos 5x plus what is our v? Sine 5x. And what is our du? Our du is 5 cos 5x. Okay, so we now have, so this 5 will come before this, so we now have 5 sine 5x cos 5x plus 5 sine 5x cos 5x. So 5 plus this 5, you get 10 sine 5x cos 5x plus sine 5x cos 5x. So this is our final answer. So we can just check it again and again for better understanding. It is very easy. So let's go to the next thing. So this is quotient rule. If y equals to u over v, where u and v are some functions of x, then dy dx equals to v du minus u dv over v squared. So this is the formula for quotient rule. You understand? So it's different from product rule now. Okay. So now let's differentiate this with respect to x. So let's do this now. So now this will stand out as our u. Okay. So our u is 4x squared plus 8, and our v is 2x squared plus 3. So now using our formula, okay, du equals to, so let's differentiate, this is 8x and our dv equals to 4x. So dy dx equals to v du minus u dv over v squared. So what is our v? 2x squared plus 3. So what is our du? Our du is 8x minus what is our u? 4x squared plus 8. And what is our dv? 4x. What is our v squared? So our v squared is 2x squared plus 3 all squared. So now let's open the bracket. So we have 8x 2x squared plus 3 minus, so this 4x is going to multiply, so this is 16x cubed plus 32x over 2x squared plus 3 all squared. So now let's open the bracket again. So we have 16x cubed plus 24x minus 16x cubed. So this minus is going to multiply. So this minus will multiply, so that will be minus 32x, okay, over 2x squared plus 3 all squared. So let's collect like them. 16x cubed minus 16x cubed plus 24x minus 32x over, so we are not expanding the denominator, we will leave it that way, denominator that way. So what's our final? This is minus, okay, minus 8. This is minus 8x over 2x squared plus 3 all squared. So this is our final answer. So you can check it well. If you check it again and again, write it, you understand, you're going to understand it. Alright everyone, so now let's quickly solve this question again using quotient rule. So we already know how to solve it now. Y equals to x over cos x. So our u is x and our v is cos x. Our du is what? 1. When you differentiate x, you get 1. And our dv is what? When you differentiate cos, you get minus sine. So this is minus sine. When you differentiate x, you get 1. So you can't write the 1. So you leave it that way. So now we now have so what's our formula? Dy dx equals to v du minus u dv over v squared. Okay, our v is cos x. What is our du? Our du is 1. Our du is 1 minus what is our u? X. And what is our dv? Minus sine x over what is our v? Cos x all squared. So that is that. So now let's now open the bracket. So we have cos x minus 10 minus is plus x sine x over cos x all squared. So now equals to cos x over cos x all squared plus x sine x over cos x all squared. So now so we splitted it now. So we splitted this cos x all squared. Now it has cancelled. So we have 1 over cos x plus 1 over cos x. We want to split it times x sine x over cos x. So we splitted it now. So 1 over cos x will give us what? Sec x plus another 1 over x will give us sec x. Then sine x over cos x will give us tan x. Okay, so that will be x tan x. So now our answer is sec x plus sec x. This x will come before this one, tan x. Final answer. Or you can also leave it as sec x plus tan plus x tan x sec x. Okay, so that's our final answer. So thanks for watching. So this is where we'll stop for today. So in the next video we are going to continue, you understand, with differentiation again, to put and hold to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. Don't forget to engage. Thanks and God bless.